Hey y'all, so I wanted to come at you with a little holly haul from Emerald Erin. So she had a sale around the Valentine's Day, 14th of February, whenever that was. Anyways, it took a little while for my order to get here, but I was very excited, and also I'm very late at filming this, but I'm still really excited because I was moving, and so, it takes me a while to catch up and find stuff. Am I the only one? Emma, is it just me? Is it just me? I hope it's not. So, I'm going to show you what I got in this, and it's in a Trader Joe's bag from a while ago now. So, I picked up 3 different shades of her bra tulle. I got half yard of each, or half meter, half meter. I forget which. I don't know. She's Canadian. I feel like it's a meter. Half a meter? It might be a half a yard, though. I don't remember, but it's either half yard or half meter, so I'm sorry. And I got it in this color, which my lighting does not do it justice, but I will say I've never used bra tulle before. I've just generally used the stabilized lining, the Bra Builder's stabilized lining, and I really love that, so I'm excited to try this. So you do this going like, I think cross grain. But yeah, I'm excited. It's really, really smooth feeling, and I love this color. I believe this is the violet shade, so again, the lighting is not coming across well, so just kind of look at her website. Don't pay attention to the samples you see here. I feel like the lighting is really bad. This is the peacock color. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. And then this is, I want to say this is the raspberry color, if I recall correctly. So I'm very excited to get to play with the bra tulle and do some stuff. Next, I got some Jordie bralette kits, and if you're wondering, boy, those look like those have been opened. It's because they have, but I lost computer footage, so this is a redo. So I got 2 Jordie bralette kits, and I'm just going to show you the fabric I got, because let's be honest, that's what you came here for. Oh, you can't see it. It's the beige or latte bees embroidered. It's so cute. And I'm very excited. I kind of want to modify the pattern a little, but I've only made like half of one before because I moved and I didn't get to finish it. And like it's, I think I found it, but yeah. As you see, black embroidered bees. They're so cute. I was so excited when she had this, and I was like, I'm picking that up. And then I picked up a couple of underwear kits. So this one I believe is in the colorway Garnet. And I'm going to be honest, if you can afford her underwear kit, I wish she would sell this fabric by the like yard or meter or half yard or whatever she wants. Whatever. It is so soft. She has like the softest, most breathable bamboo ever. It is my favorite underwear ever. I make the Jordie boy shirts, Jordie boy shorts, which is my preference anyways, because I like boy shorts. But like, that fabric is so comfy. So I bought that Garnet, I think it's Garnet. It's the real dark color. That's the one. That's the colorway. And then I bought the Midnight, which I have a Midnight kit somewhere. No, I have Midnight underwear because I made those. And so I rebought this one because I really like it, like a lot. The fabric is amazing. So good. Then, because I bought the bra tulle, I bought some of the Jordie bralette findings kits, basically. I bought it in the colorway, I bought one in latte, one in cinnamon, and I got 3 in black. So they're not really exciting. I chose fold over elastic, I believe, on all of them. I might have gotten Pico on one, but I'm pretty sure I chose like fold over because that's my preference anyway. I'm lazy. I love fold over elastic. It's a fabulous invention. Whoever you are that invented it, you are a wonderful person. So that is all I got for this haul. I was very excited. It's very short. Aren't you excited? So anyways, so I'm really excited because I need to make some bralettes, but I would like to, has anyone modified the Jordie bralette? Because I've lost so much because of the weight loss, like I have excess skin here, so I'm kind of like, I kind of want to add a little power mesh bar to the edge and like taper it down, so I'm going to experiment. And we'll see if it works. If it does, I'll let you know. If not, you'll probably never hear about it again. Or also, the other thing that could happen is I get lazy and don't do it. Either of those is a potential option, just so you're aware. I'm putting it out there. But hopefully, if I don't get super lazy, because I have plenty of power mesh hiding around, who knows where. It's in a box. Okay, it's in a box. Actually, I do know where. I found my bra making stuff earlier. Well, I think it's most of it. So, anyways. But, fingers crossed. It's like, I'm going to get it done. And if not, well, you just probably won't hear about it again. Because I either forgot or didn't want to do it. Or didn't work out. That seems like that could happen. So. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little holly haul. Do me a huge favor, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.